With all the escalators, please hold the handrail at all times and attend children carefully.
All right, Universal. All right, y'all, what's up? It is Chris Bay, back with Bay, our guest. I am back for a solo park day here at Hollywood Studios. Universal Studios Hollywood. Ooh, there we go. Things look a little different. As you can see, my mask is on my wrist, not on my face. Masks are no longer required if you are vaccinated. So we're gonna have a cute day. Let's go. Hi.
If I can get your right hand around her. Go ahead and come on through.
Woohoo!
You are adorable.
Thank you. Oh, y'all, it's hot. It is hot. It is very hot this week. I think yesterday was like 115, so I was in the house, but today it's a little cooler, so we are out and about. Now, with this new mask mandate, you will notice that all of the team members are still required to wear their masks. That's with Disney as well. Team members and cast members are still required to wear their masks, and vaccinated guests do not. All right, studio tour is only 30 minutes, so that's where we're heading because that never happens. If you guys have never done the studio tour, I definitely recommend it. My vlog I did, I think 2-3 weeks ago, was all about the studio tour. We did Ant's first time on it. It is not something that is offered in Orlando, so I definitely recommend checking it out if you're at Universal Studios Hollywood. Y'all, my face feels exposed. You mean to tell me I'm gonna have to try in my pictures now? I gotta smile, I can't just throw on a mask and take a cute pic. I do get a little anxious in like crowded areas and in stores. I do like throw my mask back on, but you know, this is coming out of a year's worth of a pandemic, so we're getting there. I left my wand in the car. Terrible wizard. I'm a horrible wizard. Honestly though, see, this is why like every Harry needs his Hermione, you know. All right, so a little bit about the studio tours. It takes you through the actual Universal Studio lot, and you see where a lot of things are filmed. There's a 3D King Kong part, there's a 3D Fast and the Furious part, there's a subway set that they flood, and you see what it's like to have an earthquake in San Francisco. But it is an hour-long experience, so use the restroom before, grab your snacks before, but it is well worth it. I don't know where to stand. There's no stickers for me to wait. I don't know where to stand. Where do I stand? Guys, social distancing at Universal is really no more. So I imagine that's why wait times are not so bad today. They used to load every other row, but now you can see they're loading to full capacity. So that's probably why wait times are a lot shorter today, even though there are a good amount of people here. I will say I'm gonna miss social distancing because I loved being 6 feet away from people. Now I feel like everyone's all up on me, you know. 6 feet, y'all, 6 feet. All right, y'all, so the wait time said 30 minutes and it was about 16, so we love that.
Hello and welcome everybody to the world famous Universal Studios Backlot Tour. My name is Michael. If I ever see a red spinning light, I'm gonna play a clip like this. This lets you know why I'm quiet and why I'm off the camera. It's because there's filming. But if you see something like that, you guys can talk amongst yourselves, get your cameras out, because honestly, you never know what you're gonna see out there, right? There's a lot of people back there today. Your attention to the left-hand side. This is Colonial Street over here, better known as Wisteria Lane. This is where the Desperate Housewives filmed for 8 very successful years. It's also where Mindy Kaling's newest Netflix show, Never Have I Ever, is filmed, and where the greatest actor in the entire world, Tom Hanks, filmed The Birds. In all Hollywood. This is the Bates Motel on your right from Psycho 2, and the original house from Psycho, just on top of the hill. And what you folks are looking at right now is a real-life Boeing 747. This is a real plane. It cost filmmakers $60,000 to purchase, and it was destroyed for this one scene right here on your screens. So like Like I said, the plane cost $60,000, but to have it transported from the Mojave Desert where it was stationed here to our backlot, it cost production an extra $200,000, and it was only in the movie for 4 minutes. Crazy. Keep it water. You know what? Oh, looks like we're heading into Sullivan Truck Repair. Not sure why. This is a known street racer party hangout. All right, everybody, listen up. Here's our contact. They're going to let us know exactly what is going on.
My name is Roman Pierce.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Alright, so that is the studio tour. It's one of my favorite things about Universal Hollywood. I love that every time you go on, you learn something different. Or even sometimes you go a different route and you see other sets that they use. And you learn different facts on different rides, or you see different things filming. So it's a little different every time you ride it. So check it out. I need a snack, y'all. I need a snack. Right in the right? I think I'm in the wrong spot. Also, okay, I need to ask y'all, am I missing out on Fast and the Furious? Because there are 9 movies. F9 just came out. There are 9 of these. I don't think there's any other franchise that has this many films. And they're apparently making up to 11. Am I missing out? Like, I don't know. I just didn't know that you could make 9 movies out of fast cars. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but whew, child. I wonder what it's like to be someone who comes to Universal and doesn't eat at the Three Broomsticks. I feel like I only eat here or at the Minion Cafe, so if you have other recommendations, please let me know. Okay, you guys, I know I said I need a snack, and I really thought I was gonna get something cute and light and like fun. So I went with the fish and chips platter, just something light, you know. I've never had them, and every time I come, usually the people I'm with don't eat fish or want to eat somewhere else, but it's my day, and I'm excited to try them because I've heard wonderful things. Okay, it's very crunchy. Oh, she's very crunchy. The atmosphere of the Wizarding World always gets me. It's like the music, it's being at the Three Broomsticks, it's the castle. This has become my new, like, common castle, I guess you could say, since Disney annual passes are gone. It's fine, I'm fine. Everything's fine. But yes, Disney annual passes are gone. So my Universal pass has just been swiped. It is worn down. It's fading. It's fading because it's also paper, because Universal doesn't give you a plastic, at least the one in Hollywood doesn't give you a plastic annual pass. Here we go. Fish and chips, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of tartar sauce. Okay, she's cute. I get it. I understand. Oh, that's cute. That is good. Wow, good for them and for like a theme park. I'm gonna put a little bit of the vinegar. Wow. Oh, I need something sweet. Also, you guys, I think, should I do like a Harry Potter day? I think I need to do like an all Harry Potter day where I just come and we do everything in the Wizarding World. I think that'd be really cute. I want to do that in Florida too because it has Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade. If you think we should take a trip to Florida, check out, it's called Buy Me a Coffee, and it's like Patreon, but it's a way for like supporters to help support the content creator that they follow without having to do like a membership or, you know, a monthly fee. You can literally contribute as much as you want. It's, I think, in $5 increments, but I'll link all of that below. I'll put a cute little picture up here too if that helps. But a few of you who have already donated, thank you guys so much to these people who have already donated. You guys are so sweet, and it really does help me to be able to go on these adventures and take you guys with me. So thanks, y'all.
Are you back there illegally recording video?
No, it's all legal. It's all legal.
Is it?
Yes.
You didn't ask my permission.
No, remember we talked about it.
All of a sudden the excitement's gone just because they see a dog now. Okay. All right. I'm the one that said happy birthday. You're welcome, Junior. You may now proceed to go see that dog down there who's not going to talk to you. Rude.
Woo, Scooby! Yes! Look at you. You look so good. It's good to see you. This? Oh, it's not a Scooby snack, it's beignets. Next time. I got you. Bye. All right, you guys, Jurassic World says 25 minutes for a wait. I've never seen it that low. We're gonna see how long it actually takes. Hopefully my socks don't get wet. That was like 15 minutes, so it wasn't that long, but oh Lord, be a poncho. Alright, thank God I'm wearing black because my shirt is soaked. My socks are okay, y'all. My socks are okay. That's all that matters. Y'all, look how cute this is. I don't need it. I don't need it. Just spend it on food, y'all. Spend the money on food. This is cute too. I gotta get out of here. Alright, you guys, so yeah, Jurassic World was a 25-minute wait and it was only 15. The studio tour was 30 and it was like, again, like 15. Should I do, like, do you guys want a video on wait times? Where we have the projected wait times and then we tell you what the actual one is? Would you guys be interested in that? Comment below. Let me know. Guys, oh my gosh, I need these for my room. Are these? They're for child. No, I don't. No, I don't. We gonna print that out at home and make our own. Child. Nope. Okay, this is cute, but like, where's the Slytherin one? Also, I saw that at Island of Adventure, they have spirit jerseys for your Hogwarts house. I do not see them yet here at Hollywood, but I will keep y'all posted because I need one. All right, you guys, that's a wrap on our first mask-free theme park day of 2021. It is a little weird. I feel exposed. I have to make sure that I'm aware of what my face is doing. Some of you, I don't even know if you know what I actually look like. But I want you guys to let me know, do you want more full ride videos on the channel? Do you want shorter videos, longer videos? What are some other things that you'd like to see on the channel? Let me know down below and I will do my best to make it happen. Again, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Check everything out that is linked below, all the different pages. And thanks y'all again so much for supporting and making these adventures possible. Never a dull day. Oh, the sun? That's a wrap.